Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to make OBS only capture game audio. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To configure OBS to capture only game audio while recording or streaming, you'll need to adjust the audio settings within OBS. Here's how you can do it. Open OBS on your PC, then click on the Settings button in the bottom right corner of the OBS window. Alternatively, you can go to File, Settings from the menu bar. At the Settings window, click on the Audio tab on the left sidebar. Under the Audio tab, you'll see several options for audio devices such as desktop audio device, mic, auxiliary audio device, etc. And a desktop audio device drop-down menu. Choose the audio device that corresponds to your game audio. This could be speakers, headphones, or the virtual audio cable if you're using one. Now, ensure that the mic auxiliary audio device drop-down menu is set to disabled, or another appropriate audio input source that does not include your game audio. This will prevent OBS from capturing your microphone or other auxiliary audio sources. Once you've configured the audio settings, click on Apply, then hit OK button to save the changes. Before you start recording or streaming, it's a good idea to test your setup, launch your game, and ensure that OBS is capturing the game audio correctly. Once everything is set up properly, you can start recording or streaming your gameplay with OBS. OBS will now only capture the audio from your game and not any other audio sources like your microphone. By following these steps, you can configure OBS to capture only game audio while recording or streaming, allowing you to create content with clear and focused audio. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.